Hey everybody.
Hi everybody.
And welcome to the Friday
Five.
All right, so we got some exciting news.
Yes, we have a new book. So we have Dawn's brand new book all about injury, personal injury, all the information you need to know. How do you get a copy? Right there.
Attorney McClure VIP.
Become a VIP member and we're going to mail you a copy for free.
That's
okay?
right.
Or come and visit us and we'll give you a copy.
And another exciting announcement is our Bikes for Kids
Yes.
H-Town.
So Bikes for Kids H-Town.com. That's the website that you need to go and nominate a child, either your own or somebody else's, who's doing everything they can to help their community, around the house, their school, their friends, something that makes them special. Nominate them and they're gonna be getting a bike for free. We're gonna do this throughout the summer, so one bike per week throughout June, July, and August.
And it was great last year to see all the kids that were nominated.
It was amazing.
All right, so we did the rally for the Remember.
Last Saturday we were at the Rally to Remember, and we were raising funds to benefit the Alzheimer's Association, and we had a great time, y'all. You guys need to come out and be there with us next year.
It was just fantastic.
It was so much fun.
There's your video.
There's my video inviting everybody to come out. There's our friend Christina.
She's the one that put on the whole event. Well,
yes,
of course, with the whole group.
With the whole group.
A lot of people.
Her sisters. So, make sure you check out their website. You can still go in there and donate towards, Alzheimer's Association.
And next year is going to be huge. I think they're even going to have a motorcycle being donated.
I know. That's gonna be awesome. Which this year we donated, or actually we gave away a GoPro, and that was a huge hit. So I am so excited for next year.
Yeah, it should be
wait.
great. Okay, so
let's
get to the Friday Five. Number one, what if you have an accident and you're in an Uber or a Lyft or even a taxi? Okay, so you need to be really careful because there are usually multiple possible defendants, people who are responsible for the wreck. So one thing to keep in mind is whether it's the driver of the car you're in fault, yes, or if it's the fault of somebody else, make sure you talk to somebody before you sign any papers.
Yes.
Because I know a lot of times the rideshare people are trying to get signatures on things, and so just don't do that.
Yeah.
Let your lawyer look it over. But I also want to mention real quickly that new device on there to help you keep safe.
Yeah, so it's a panic button that Lyft is just, launching now. I think Uber already has it on their app where you go, and if you're, already in a vehicle and you feel threatened in any way, you can go ahead and just press that panic button and the police will be notified, your location and everything. So, make sure that if you do use the services of Uber or Lyft, that you are familiar with their app, okay?
And I'd also probably let people know that you're doing this. These are things that I tell Natalie, our daughter, and I'm sure you want to make sure your people are safe too.
Yes. Yes.
Number two.
Okay?
How to save money on these subscriptions that keep coming back and we don't even realize they're there.
Yes, this is, for all Android and Apple users. You go through the iTunes and you purchase apps. A lot of those are free, but a lot of those are actually have like a monthly subscription, and if you're not using it, there's no reason to be paying for it. But then you kind of forget about it, right? Because there's such a small amount, but they do add up.
They really do. And also this article, we're going to move on, but has a really good information on PayPal, because a lot of people use PayPal. It will let you know what your recurring payments are, subscriptions are, also for 365 Microsoft and Google as well. I had a lot of good information on that.
Check it out. Okay, you want to make sure you're saving all the money you can.
That's right. Okay, number three. Now, we've talked about this many times.
Yes, but we're going to continue to remind you guys to not do a recorded statement, okay? They're going to call you, the adjuster will call you and ask you to do a recorded statement. Say no.
I'm sorry to interrupt you.
That's okay. No, just say no, or tell them that, you're willing to cooperate, but first you need to consult it with your attorney. That is totally okay, and let the attorney deal with that. Most of the time you won't have to do it.
I get so angry about these things, and they are terrible about this. They're only getting evidence to use against you.
Yes.
Don't do it. Just don't do it.
Yes.
Don't do it, period.
Yes. Every time that we get a new client and they say, did you do a recorded statement? Yes. Donnie's like, what?
Especially the ones who are family with us that know us so closely, and I said, how could you do that?
No, don't do it, okay? Let us handle that for you.
All right, so we
got
got
number 4.
These are some great ideas. We're only going to talk about 1 or 2 here. But,
yeah, so Father's Day is coming up, and we have a list of different ideas to give to your father to celebrate, their amazing job as a dad. So I love this one, except that you're not a Games of Thrones fan.
That's true.
I really like this one.
It's pretty cool. And they had a couple other great things. Well, several other good things. But one thing I really liked are the dad jokes. I never can go wrong with those. But the kids get tired of hearing those.
Yes.
The Daddy Shark card.
You might need some new jokes, so I might just get to that one.
Or maybe some playing cards with the kids, or a dog, or
yes.
something else on it. I don't know.
You can put your kids' faces on those cards.
They're pretty cool.
That'll
and I think,
so cute.
and maybe there's still time to do that if you do it now. To
yes,
do
so this is the time to do it. That's why we're doing it now.
My thing is, no more ties, no more stuff like that. But something creative like the personalized cards.
Very unique.
Very nice.
They're unique.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so number 5.
5.
Coffee grounds. Who knew that they had so many purposes?
Who knew? My mom told me about this a while back. She even brought, some fresh grounds to my house, and she's like, here, keep this in your bathroom. Use it as a scrubbing thing to exfoliate your skin or to put it in your hair. Who knew? She was right. Look at this.
Once again, your mama's right.
Your mama's right, yes.
Yeah, so they have a lot of good purposes in here for coffee
odor
grounds.
eliminator for your, what do you call it?
The disposal.
Disposal thing.
Yeah, that's really good. The gardening.
Oh my gosh, you can double the amount of harvest, which I'm totally going to be doing that. You can use it to repel ants. Fix wood.
Repair scratch furniture.
I know. Just so much that you can do with coffee grounds. Who knew?
Who knew?
So check this link out, okay? It's going to give you great information.
Okay, so don't forget about the VIP program for the book. Don't forget about the Bikes for Kids. We really want to have a lot of people nominated.
Yes, please. Send that information in. We can't wait to give away the first bike of many this summer.
That's right. So the first week in June is when we're planning to do that.
Yes. So let's do it. Let's get it done.
All right, everybody. Have a great day. Make it a good weekend.
Bye. Happy Memorial Day. If you drink, do not drive. Call an Uber, call a Lyft, call a friend, or give me a call. I'll come and get you. It's not worth putting yourself at risk or those around you, okay?
Absolutely.
All right.
Bye, everybody.
Bye, guys.